Okinawa has a variety of reasonably priced accommodations that don't compromise on location or comfort. There is a hotel in the center, a beachside resort, or a classic guest house to suit any budget. Here's our recommended list of the best affordable stays in Okinawa, Japan. Number 9. The Beach Tower Okinawa. The Beach Tower Okinawa is a hotel by the sea that's close to well-known locations, including Sunset Beach and American Village. Families and couples seeking an idyllic hideaway frequently choose this luxurious hotel because of its large rooms, stunning coastline setting, and first-rate services. Among the hotel's many accommodation types are suites and rooms with an ocean view, many of which have balconies with views of the ocean. The Beach Tower, Okinawa's close vicinity to stunning beach, where visitors can engage in water sports like swimming and snorkeling, is one of its features. The hotel also provides several amenities such as a restaurant with both international and local food, a spa for rest, and an outdoor pool. Because of the hotel's on a location, visitors can easily visit some of Okinawa's most popular attractions, including the Okinawa Churaumi Aquarium, Cape Manzamo, and other natural and cultural destinations in the island's northern region. The starting price is $126. It is located at 86 Mihama Chatan, Nakagami District, Okinawa, 904015, Japan. Number 8. Okinawa Harborview Hotel. The Okinawa Harborview Hotel is a very affordable hotel with cozy accommodations and waterfront views that offer good value. It is a well-liked option for both business travelers and leisure tourists due to its sophisticated design, first-rate service, and handy location. It is close to the airport and other tourist destinations. The Okinawa Harborview Hotel provides a variety of amenities and services to improve visitors' stays in addition to its chic rooms. These consist of a spa, a fitness center, an outdoor pool, and several eateries serving both Japanese and foreign fare. The hotel is appropriate for business gatherings and functions because it also includes banquet and conference spaces. The Okinawa Harborview Hotel is an excellent option for those looking for a relaxing and unforgettable vacation in Okinawa because of its first-rate location, opulent amenities, and attentive service. The starting price is $118. It is located in Japan, 9000021 Okinawa, Naha, Izumizaki 2-46. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Number 7. Southern Beach Hotel and Resort. Situated close to Itaman City on the western coast of Okinawa Island, Japan, lies the stunning and affordably priced Southern Beach Hotel and Resort Okinawa. For those looking for an idyllic escape without breaking the bank, it's perfect. With easy access to a gorgeous beach, this family-friendly resort provides relaxation by the sea, making it the ideal destination for those wishing to take in Okinawa's natural splendor. It is a fantastic option for both quick trips and extended vacations because it blends contemporary conveniences with a peaceful setting. It's a fantastic location for people seeking a tranquil getaway that's nevertheless accessible to important sites. The resort is easily accessible from Naha Airport, which is about a half-hour's drive away. Additionally, it is close to important sites including Kokusai Street in Naha, Okinawa World, and Shurijo Castle. The starting price is $80. It is located at 1-61 Nishizakicho, Itoman, Okinawa, 9010306, Japan. Number 6. Rakuten Stay Okinawa Naha. In the center of Naha, Okinawa, sits the vacation rental property Rakuten Stay Okinawa Naha. It belongs to the Rakuten Stay brand, which is renowned for providing chic and cozy lodgings that are intended to make visitors feel at home. This resort is a great option for both short and long stays because it frequently has contemporary conveniences like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and kitchen facilities. A blend of traditional and modern experiences may be found in Naha, the lively capital of Okinawa Prefecture. Nearby attractions like Shurijo Castle, Kokusai Street, and the Okinawa Prefectural Museum are conveniently accessible to guests staying at Rakuten Stay Okinawa Naha. Additionally, the house is in a convenient location for visitors who wish to see Okinawa's renowned natural beauty and stunning beaches. It's a great choice for those seeking a more homey, pleasant, and affordable stay. The starting price is $60. It is located at 124 Tsuboya, Naha, Okinawa 9020065, Japan. Number 5. Hotel GranView, Okinawa. Hotel GranView Okinawa is a cozy, affordably priced hotel with modern decor and roomy accommodations. It is easily accessible for touring both near the airport and the city center. It usually offers a range of hotel types including family, double and single rooms, many of which include air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, free Wi-Fi, and mini fridges. To ensure that guests have a comfortable and convenient stay, the hotel often provides extra amenities including a restaurant, a vending machine, and a public bath. It's a fantastic option for tourists looking for a budget-friendly and conveniently placed starting point to discover Okinawa's natural and cultural treasures. The starting price is $52. It is located at 232 Akamine, Naha, Okinawa 9010154, Japan. Number 4. Hyatt Place, Okinawa, Chatan, Seaside. The modernized mid-range Hyatt Place Okinawa Chatan Seaside Hotel is situated in Chatan, a bustling neighborhood on the western coast of Okinawa. The hotel is well known for its handy position close to American Village, a well-liked area for dining, shopping, and entertainment. It provides both business and leisure tourists with a comfortable and fashionable stay, along with several amenities. It provides excellent value for money with roomy accommodations, a rooftop pool, and a handy location. With convenient access to public transportation and the main highways that lead to well-known tourist destinations including Okinawa World, Shorijo Castle, and other beaches and cultural sites, the hotel has excellent connections to the rest of Okinawa. Travelers arriving by air will find Naha Airport convenient as it's around 40 minutes distant by car. The starting price is $50. It is located at 3134 Miyagi Chatan, Nakagami District, Okinawa 9040113, Japan. Number 3. Iriomote Island Guesthouse. This guest home in Japan's Okinawa Prefecture provides an affordable stay on the less-traveled Iriomote Island for visitors wishing to explore the Okinawan Islands. It's a fantastic option for adventurers and nature enthusiasts. Iriomote Island is a popular location for adventurers and environment enthusiasts because of its pure beaches, clear rivers, and lush jungles. The guest home provides an easy, relaxed, and genuine stay, ideal for those who wish to take in Okinawa's natural splendor at an affordable price. From Ishigaki Island, the entry point to the Yaeyama Islands, ferries can take you to Iriomote Island. Iriomote is frequently reached by ferry, which takes around half an hour. It'll provide you with a tranquil, budget-friendly vacation in the middle of nature, ideal for outdoor-loving tourists. The starting price is $50. It is located at Iriomote Island, Okinawa, Japan. Number 2. Guesthouse Anshin. Located in Naha, Guesthouse Anshin is a comfortable and affordable guesthouse. Both private rooms and communal dorms are available at the residence. It provides a more individualized and community-focused experience, making it ideal for tourists wishing to experience local culture firsthand at a reasonable price. Backpackers, single people, and those looking for a basic and genuine Okinawan experience without breaking the bank may find this guesthouse ideal. Kokusai Street, the primary shopping and entertainment area of Naha, is only a short distance from the guest home. It is highly handy for tourists arriving by plane because the guest house is easily accessible via Naha's monorail system, and Naha Airport is only a 10 to 15-minute drive away. This affordable guest house is ideal for tourists looking for a more simple and pleasant local experience. Both private rooms and communal dorms are available at the residence. The starting price is $30. It is located in Naha, Okinawa, Japan. Number 1. Guesthouse Hokuo. The comfortable and affordably priced guesthouse Hokuo offers both individual and dorm-style accommodations. It's an excellent destination for single trekkers and those on a tight budget. This guesthouse is a well-liked option for tourists seeking a more intimate and relaxed stay because it usually offers simple amenities and a friendly ambiance. Both private and shared dormitory-style rooms are frequently available at Guesthouse Hokuo, making them ideal for small parties, couples, and single visitors. Travelers who want to meet people and share travel advice will love the guesthouse's typically more communal vibe. Shurijo Castle, Kokusai Street, which is a well-liked dining and shopping district, and other Naha landmarks are all conveniently accessible to visitors staying at Guesthouse Hokuo. Additionally, the guest house is conveniently located near public transit, allowing guests to easily explore the rest of Okinawa. The starting price is $30. It is located in Naha, Okinawa, Japan. And that's our top picks for the best affordable stays in Okinawa, Japan. Which country should we explore next for the best affordable stays? Let us know in the comments below.